Welcome back. Now the Gutenberg editor will allow you to add columns into your WordPress site. And this will allow you to place some of your content inside of narrowly defined columns as opposed to a column that goes site-wide. So for example, if we were to click this add block and we were to start by writing in columns, we can then click this column button. And you'll notice here that we have a column. If we were to click this button again and we were to add in another column, you'll notice then that we have two column blocks. And we can continue to do this. So we can click add block again, we can click the column button, and we then have three column blocks. So if we were to start writing, we can continue to use these column blocks. And once we have the column, we can change that particular column into a different block type. So for example, we can then change this block type into a list or a quote or even a verse. We can use our block properties to change the color settings. We can change the text color. We can change the background color of a particular column. And if we want to delete one column, all we'll need to do is to place our cursor inside. Then all we'll need to do is to click the delete button, and then we no longer see that column. We can then click inside again, and we can then get rid of another column. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.